what's up y'all? It's your girl Apollonia Crafts coming at you guys with a new video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use my new sticker kit. This is the Good Mood sticker kit that I'm in love with. It's super cute, but how you can use this sticker kit and plan in your wellness planner. So I'll be showing you a couple different ways because I do have multiple sections in my wellness planner if you're already familiar with how my planner is set up, but if you are not, you will be able to see the differences. But I hope you guys are excited to get into this video as I am, so if you are, then be sure to stay tuned. Alright you guys, and if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you guys decide to stick around and make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can see any other videos that come up. And for those of you guys who are back to plan with me once again, I am excited and grateful to have you guys back. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So as you guys can see, this is the Good Mood sticker kit. Now you will get all of these are available in a few different packages, so I'm just going to show you each individually, and then if you guys are interested in getting this kit, you can go ahead and go to my website and pick which ones you want. But there is a 5-piece kit, there is a 3-piece kit, and a 2-piece, so you can choose your option. But this kit, I love this. And one thing for me that I love to do with my stickers is I'm more of a simple deco, like creative minimalist style type of a planner. So I like I created these ones for mental, spiritual, physical, and emotional health, which are the focus 4 that I talk about a lot in my wellness planning course. I've got some dailies, some tasks and stuff, just a little bit of cute deco. The doll, I just love this whole personality. Like, this is legit me before I had kids, like all the time. I was always just a lot more bubbly, and you know, you get serious as you start to adult more, but my goal is to get back to this and not always so serious. And I love this one. This is just like fun. She's legs up, choose joy, be positive, and ice cream and stuff. So I thought when I picked this art and I made these kits, I really wanted to embody just being happy this summer and joyful, because we can get out now of the house and have fun. So this one is super cute too. Choose joy, be positive, be in an overall just good mood. Yes, fitness is about eating healthy, but also having great emotional and mental, physical fitness isn't just about eating all of the salads. It's about also having that balance and enjoying some of the treats that only come around here. And I live in California, so there's tons of festivals and stuff. And so, I mean, hello, it's summer. Enjoy it. And so I love this because this is me when my hair is washed and all frizzy. So I just loved this. And so there are two different, there is the dark skin tone, and there's also the light, so you get to choose that option too, and just some simple functional boxes as well. Some habit trackers, more on the mental, spiritual, and some decorative dots and more boxes. So again, you can choose how you want to use these. And so if you guys are ready, then let's go ahead and start to playing with some stickers. Now, I've recently adjusted my wellness planner once again to fit how I'm currently using it. So I'm kind of excited to just see how this layout works. So we shall see. But we are about to be in June, so I thought it would be great to go ahead and just kind of adjust. Now, the color scheme here is blue, but there's still some blue in here, so we can totally play with this and kind of make it work. So I am using this, and last month, just to kind of give you an idea, I went complete minimalistic because I really just wanted to get a better functionality of how the heck I was going to use this version of my planner, because this is actually the goals vertical layout and from the Happy Planner, and so I wasn't 100% sure exactly how I wanted to use it, so I was kind of playing around with a couple of different ideas. But I really liked just the simple highlighter and planning a few things very simply and having goals written out I was happy with it. It was very clean. It was very visually pleasing, and I didn't feel anxious looking at it, because that's a very big thing too. So I'm definitely going to keep with some of those things, but I do want to add this as well. So we'll go ahead and do a deco of the monthly, and then we'll kind of play with the weekly too. So let's go ahead and do this. So I think this is about all that I want to use sticker wise in here, and let me recenter. There we go. But yeah, so this, you guys, like I said, I love more of a minimalistic spread. I might actually lie. Let me go ahead and add just a little bit more deco right here. Ooh, oh, there's so many rainbows though, but this is gonna be super cute. There we go. Yeah, this makes me happy. I don't like when there's just like random white space, but like the dates are fine because I know I'm gonna fill stuff in, but when it's just too much white space, like it will bug me. But so yeah, so this is super cute. This is all that I want. So again, the reason being is because I know I want to fill this in. Now let me go ahead and highlight some key points. So as you can see, I already wrote something in here. So I have when Shark Week is going to begin. So let me grab my highlighter so I can go ahead and highlight that week. And why I like to highlight Shark Week, it's, well, obviously, like, when it comes to wellness, I like to highlight Shark Week because I noticed that my energy levels are just like hecka draining, and it's obviously you're more irritable, and you know, you might be a little bit more tired too. So that's why I want to make sure that I highlight this. There we go. I'm going to use my orange versus just red. Now use red. It's Shark Week, of course, so that has to be red. Warning, warning. Oh, and it matches still. That's what I was worried about. I was like, it's not gonna match, but it does. So I like to just, it doesn't have to be like major, but I like to go ahead and just highlight the box so I can see about when I'm going to start. And then this way, when it comes to me figuring out when I'm going to do workouts, or if I'm even going to start a workout program, like this is not the ideal week to start, or like not even necessarily here. Or if I do choose to, I'll mainly focus on doing something more like yoga or pile versus like a high intense workout. Because another thing too, I noticed since having my last child, it's like my lower back, my hips and my lower back, I'm maybe because I'm in my 30s and it takes a lot longer for your body to heal compared to your 20s apparently, but I'm noticing that like my lower back and my hips, everything is just snap, crackle, and popping like so much more. There's so much more lower back pain compared to my first 2 pregnancies, as well as even my second. And yeah, my first 2 pregnancies, as well as with my daughter, I was able to get right back into working out, really no problems. And I don't know what happened. I think though after my third child, I did push myself to get back into shape too fast, which may have ended up causing me to have injuries that I didn't realize was going to affect me as much. And then I ended up having a fourth kid, and now it's like even more. So not sure, but I'm learning to work and focus a lot more on allowing myself some grace. And two, I mean, it's, you know, guys, it's just always a process, okay? Like, it's never ending of a process, and it's just what it is. So embracing the journey, and I will be doing like a whole nother video of like what I learned between, you know, from my first two kids, having kids in my 20s compared to having kids in my 30s, the difference and how it's affected my body, mentally and emotionally and spiritually and all of that too, because there has been a very, very big major difference that I noticed. So I'm sure some of you guys would probably be interested in learning about that, just to see if you guys have anybody else who wants to relate. But yeah, so this is how I'm going to use this planner. I wanted to just make sure I highlighted Shark Week. Once I have like my goals brain dumped out, then I will go ahead and kind of fill this in and show you guys what that looks like later. But let me go ahead and now let's go into decorating a week, all right? So this is the finished product of how the stickers came out on my weekly spread and also the monthly, which I am in love with. Super cute, just enough pop to have fun with and to make it interesting, and still plenty of space for me to fill things in. So I'm really excited about this, but now I wanted to show you how I actually am going to fill a couple things in and set my intentions for the month of June, as well as for my first week. Now, this is kind of different from what you typically see in a plan with me, because normally people just decorate and get it over with. But what's the point of doing a plan with me if we don't actually plan, right? So my daughter just woke up. So I'll more than likely go ahead and speed through this process, but I am actually working on a wellness master class, and I have a printable that I've been working on. So I'm going to be showing you a little bit, or finish filling this out. Give me 1 second, baby. I'm gonna finish filling this out and then show you how I'm applying it in here. All right, let's go. Yes, baby.